Hello friends, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel Suntech BD. Friends, today I will show on this video how to withdraw your Mastercard credit card cashback redeems. If you have a Mastercard cashback credit card, you can withdraw easily your Mastercard cashback redeems. On this video, I will show step by step how to withdraw your Mastercard credit card cashback redeems. If you want to withdraw your cashback redeems, so you have to balance cashback redeems 100 dirham. Less than 100 dirham cashback redeems not possible to withdraw. So now we'll move to mobile screen. How to withdraw Mastercard credit card cashback redeems. Friends, if you've seen my video first time, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell button for more update videos. If you already may subscribe my channel, thank you so much. Friends, welcome back again. So now we'll be open Mastercard apps and log in your Mastercard apps by user password or Face ID. Friends, open our Mastercard bank apps and we can see here so many options. So we'll be click cards on this option. Then you can see the center page. Here also we can see so many options. For credit card redeems withdraw, we'll be click here Mastercard cashback on this option. Then we can see the center page, and here also we can see so many options: cards, instant cash, card control, and more option. So now we'll be click on more option. Then we can see here all this option: cashback redemption, view cashback e-statement, and more option. For cashback withdraw, will be click first one, cashback redemption on this option. Then we can see here redeem your cashback. My redeem cashback now 122.82 dirhams. If you want to withdraw your cashback redeems, just type here your available balance. So I write here my all the cashback redeems 122.82 pills. Then just click redeems now, and automatically this cashback redeems add your credit card balance. Friends, I hope you are understand how to withdraw Mastercard credit card cashback redeems. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video. I will be back again with new amazing update.